pack a capsule wardrobe with me for London. It's June. I'm not sure about the weather. I just have one hand luggage, so it's gonna be a capsule wardrobe. Start with some warm stuff. I'm going to bring these two knitwears. They're warm but relatively thin. Very nice color. And then of course a very basic creamy sweater. I could wear it when it's like chilly, but if it's like warm, then I can just put on the shoulder like this. So I think it gives a lot of variation. Yeah, for the flight, I'm gonna wear this comfortable hoodie, basic creamy top, and then also something that's gonna match to all the outfits. These shirts, classic, of course, white shirt. You can either wear it as a top or as a jacket. I love this kind of light blue, and of course some thin basic tops in case it's warm, or I can just wear underneath any shirt, any sweater. For white, I'm bringing this tank top, basic, and then this off-shoulder top, and also this bodysuit long sleeve white shirt. Of course, other than white, I need black. So I have this long sleeve, kind of long sleeve, but it's like only one side, so it doesn't look that boring. And also similar to the white top I have this off-shoulder bodysuit, black one. For jeans, I was thinking about to bring some shorts, but then I realized it's gonna be quite cold, like under 20. So I'm just bringing some pants with me. So jeans, I'm gonna have one classic blue jeans and then a lighter color. Of course, black pants, but I was thinking I already have two jeans, so I'm gonna bring in these like cotton pants so I can wear it during the flight or in trains. And for jacket, we have to bring a trench coat like this, and then with a belt. I believe trench coat is gonna be so useful in London because sometimes it just rains suddenly and a little bit windy. And this is not too thick, it doesn't take up a lot of space. For shoes, I'm bringing one pair of basic white Converse. And in case the rain is too heavy, I'm not gonna wear the white one, but instead wearing these sneakers because it's plastic. So it's also easier to clean after the rain with muddy streets and stuff. It also looks more fun and spice up the outfit. For bags, I'm bringing just two. Of course, this Uniqlo bag. Just for the flight, you put your passport, your wallet, and who knows, I'm gonna mix and match with any of my outfits as well. And I'm so in love with these charms. It's a brown bag. It fits to many of my outfits. And it's like a shoulder bag, but you can also adjust to make it longer and like a crossbody bag. Of course, I'm not just bringing those small useless bags with me. I'm bringing this foldable shopping bag. It's a basic black shopping bag, which is gonna be better than other colorful floral shopping bags. So this could also fit to your outfit. When you brought your souvenirs or your water, your jacket, you could just pop it in and it doesn't look so bad. It's practical. I would definitely recommend that. For jewelries, I'm bringing one set of silver and one set of gold. And that's how I packed my jewelry. It doesn't take up any space. For necklaces, I will put them separately in different bags so they don't cling to each other. If you want to see how I mix and match these items for outfits in London, stay tuned for the next video. Bye!